Hey all, I'm back with a new experiment again. So let's see what is inside. This is the contents. Two experiments. Oh, this is iron pepper shaker. Huh? It looks like there's gonna be fire. See, but before we start this off, we'll need our starter kit. Here it is, the starter kit. So, this says we need our tray. And today we're going to be using the one with one hole. So, but before I start this, safety first. Gonna get my gloves. I'm just gonna wear my gloves. Got it. And now my glasses. Now we're protected. I'm gonna clear up. This bottle and this. This is a bottle of iron. Now that we've got what we need, let us start the experiment. So I'm guessing this will have a nozzle. So if you want to look around in the box, you'll find a packet of this. These are nozzles which you attach to the bottles of iron. And it's time to insert a nozzle. Okay, we've done that. Now, what else do you want? So we want to put a cork right here and put a candle in that hole. Wait a minute, how am I gonna do this experiment if I don't even have anything to light my candle? Let me just get my lighter. Got it. So, what? Sprinkle some on the flame. Okay. The iron is going through the fire, but since it's tiny, the structure is very weak, so it can't take the heat. So when I sprinkle it, it sets up on fire, but since the structure is heat and it's very small, the fire ignites the iron and then it just makes the iron disappear. See? The flames don't last for long. So, I'm just having someone else to do it. And somehow... Oh! Experiment. So we're just gonna take a break and I'm gonna be preparing for this experiment for the next experiment, which is Egyptian knife. See ya.